We're going on a small train ride with grannies.
There you go, how are you? You're free for the train? Come back.
Oh, chapulu.
No, no, yeah. It's
Yeah, okay. Ready for a ride?
Yeah.
This is my bodyguard. My bodyguard. My señorita. The king and the queen.
So,
Yeah.
Do you know what type of plant farm
no,
that is?
you have to guess. Look at it.
What is it? Spider?
No. Look at it.
Something.
You
My
just now
crocs
you
fly
climbed
out.
in. No, climbed in. What did you climb in?
I didn't climb anything today.